Hey guys, it's Karina. Welcome to another video. In this video we're gonna be making very delicious, high-protein vegan lasagna. This recipe is packed with lots of nutrients and very easy to make. If you're looking for healthy, tasty dinner recipe, you found it. Everyone will love this lasagna. So let me show you how to make it. First we need to prepare veggies for our lasagna. Slice one medium eggplant, place it in a bowl and add a few twists of salt. Set it aside for about 30 minutes. The salt will help to release bitter taste from the eggplant. Then we're gonna slice one medium onion and saute it in a pan over medium heat with a bit of oil for about 3-4 minutes. Meanwhile, we're gonna slice about 2 cups of washed cremini mushrooms, add them to the pan and cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then we're gonna add a few twists of salt and pepper and 1 teaspoon of dried basil. After that, we're gonna add 4 cups of baby spinach, cover with the lid and cook for a few minutes until spinach is soft. Mix everything well and set aside. At this time, eggplant releases the bitter juice that we're gonna wash thoroughly. After that, remove the remaining liquid with a paper towel. In a pan with a bit of oil, transfer the eggplant and cook until golden brown for about 2 minutes each side. Add a few twists of salt and pepper. Meanwhile, we're gonna prepare our cashew ricotta. Soak 1½ cup of raw unsalted cashews in warm water. After that, transfer it to a blender, add 2 cloves of garlic, ½ teaspoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, juice of half a lemon, and 3/4 cup of water. Blend until smooth and creamy. 2 minutes and cashew ricotta is ready. Now it's time to assemble our lasagna. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. On the bottom of baking dish, evenly spread tomato sauce. Then place lasagna sheets. I love to use lentil sheets as they are more tender after cooking and packed with protein. Next, we're gonna spread in an even layer our cashew ricotta. Then mushroom and spinach mixture and eggplants. After that, we're gonna repeat the same layers: tomato sauce, lentil sheets, ricotta, eggplants, mushrooms and spinach, and again tomato sauce, lentil sheets and ricotta. At the end, we're gonna top with vegan cheese and tomato slices. Cover with the foil and bake for about an hour. After that, remove from the oven and top with fresh basil leaves. Serve while it's hot. This lasagna is tender and amazingly tasty. Your friends would be surprised that it's completely pan-based. Thank you for watching this video. If you had a chance to try this amazing lasagna, take a picture, tag us on Instagram and share the experience with your friends. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I post every week delicious plant-based recipes and healthy lifestyle videos. See you next time. Bye!